With Poku's SMS dashboard, you can manage conversations between your customers and your AI agents and intervene if needed. We'll show you how in this video. So the first step is to come to the Integrations tab and plug in your Twilio credentials. After hitting save, you'll be able to navigate to the Unified Messages inbox and view all of the Twilio numbers you own and ongoing conversations associated with each. So here I can see that I've got 3 conversations. One of them has an unread message. I can click into it and view the conversation history. We can also watch for new incoming messages. So the customer just said, I'd like to make a reservation. The AI agent immediately responded, requesting for more details. And the customer says, you know what, I need to make a large group reservation. I'd like to talk to a human manager. We can now see that an orange flag appears next to this conversation. There's also a little notification up top that we can click, and it says, hey, this conversation was flagged because the user asked to speak with the manager. So one of the really cool features about the Poku dashboard is we allow our users to set their own custom flagging rules. You just have to drop in your OpenAI API key and make up some rules. These rules can be anything from I would like the chat to be flagged if my user asks to speak with a human, or they seem frustrated or angry, or if my customers ask for pricing discounts. So it can really be any rule you want. So let's go back to that conversation now and take another look at it. Let's go ahead and resolve this flag. And let's say I'm a human manager that's monitoring the dashboard. I see this conversation has been flagged. I can turn off the AI agent, and now I can help the customer myself without the AI agent coming in to respond. You can see when the customer sends in a new message now, the AI agent no longer automatically responds. Some other cool features of the Poku dashboard include notes and labels, where I can go in and add in some conversation history so I don't forget, and label this customer as a VIP customer so I know to be looking out for any requests from this customer. So now we can see there's a little yellow dot. Poku also offers multi-user features for organizations with more than one human staff member monitoring the conversations. Managers can assign chats to different human agents, or different human agents can claim a chat. We also have anti-toe stepping flags, such as this hand here, telling other agents visible to the entire organization that a human agent is already servicing this customer. As the manager, I can change these assignments at any time. I can even assign the conversation to myself, which this little thumbs up means I've taken the conversation for now. Now that you've seen all our features, I'll talk a little bit about how to start using the Poku dashboard. All you have to do is plug in your Twilio credentials and then link up your SMS AI agent using a simple make.com scenario. Okay, so this make.com scenario is publicly available to everyone. You can go ahead and click use this scenario in order to link up your Twilio numbers on the Poku dashboard to an AI agent. So once you hit use this scenario, you'll see something like this. Go ahead and create a custom webhook. The first step is to copy and paste this webhook link into Twilio on the phone number that you're going to use to receive these SMS messages. The next step is to have a node that basically gets rid of that response accepted. And then the next step is to add a HTTP request node. This node enables Poku to catch the incoming messages and compare them to the flagging criteria that you've set on your Poku dashboard, so we know whether we should flag the chat for you or not. In addition, this node returns a status on whether the AI agent toggle is flagged to on or off. If it's flagged to off to human intervention mode and you don't want an AI agent responding, this next filter catches it and stops the scenario here. So the incoming message never makes it to the AI agent. Okay, now on this node, we ask for your Poku API key. Where do you grab that? You go to your Poku dashboard, and under the account tab, you can go ahead and generate an API key. After you generate it, plug it in, and the format is authorization, value bearer space, and this is the full key that you just generated. The final step is to update your agent prompt. Here I'm using the OpenAI ChatGPT node, but you can really use anything you want. And of course, to configure the last Twilio create a message node using the phone number that you want to use to send out the agent's message. I hope this was helpful to all of you. Please don't hesitate to reach out to us if there's anything we can help with or if you have any questions during the setup. We're at hello@pokulabs.com.